How to open WhatsApp location in Google Maps. So if someone sends you a WhatsApp location on your Android or iPhone, whether it's a precise location or live location, then you can easily open this either on Google Maps or on your Apple Maps. So here, I'm going to walk you through how you can easily open WhatsApp location in Google Maps. So if I don't know this, you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is make sure the person sends you the location on WhatsApp. Thereafter, go ahead and open the WhatsApp app on your phone. So it could be Android and it could be iPhone. Then select the chart with the maps. Then click on the maps. Then you see the maps just like this. And then to open the maps on Google Maps, all you just need to do is click on the share button at the bottom right. Then here you see open in maps, open in Google Maps. Now go ahead and click on open in Google Maps. Hang on, then this is going to open Google Maps on your phone, and here you're gonna see the exact geometric location for the place on the maps. You see that? So that is basically how to open WhatsApp location in Google Maps. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.